Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Mini Cooper. Locate the battery or the positive terminal under the hood and prepare your safety gear. Keep the cars off and parking brakes engaged while you connect cables. Attach positive then negative clamps carefully, following the sequence I demonstrate. After a successful start, let the engine run to recharge the battery and remove cables in reverse order. Ready your cables and find the positive and negative terminals. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal on the Mini, then the other red clamp to the donor battery. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal and the remaining black clamp to an engine ground on the Mini Cooper. Start the donor car, wait a few minutes, and then start the Mini. Keep it running to build charge. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after roadside fixes, perfect after a grimy jumpstart session. I link it and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the Mini Cooper still won't start, stay calm and check clamp connections for corrosion or loose contact points. Try a longer charging period from the donor car or use a portable jump starter if available. If you notice swelling, leaking, or strong odors from the battery, stop and call roadside assistance. Regular battery maintenance can prevent this, so inspect terminals and replace an aging battery when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.